friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious mini chicken bites in honey and soy sauce that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready the chicken breast. Of course, you could use chicken breast, you could use chicken thighs. You decide what you have at home. But let me tell you, I love making this chicken breast bite size honey and soy sauce bites. You're really going to love this recipe. I am going to cut it in small little pieces. I have 2 huge chicken breasts. I'm going to cut it in bite pieces. I'm not going to add any salt to the chicken. I'm adding, let me show you. I'm adding black pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, onion powder, and no salt. Look at this. This is the black pepper, the onion powder, the garlic powder, the chili flakes, but no salt at all. Why am I not adding any salt? Because the soy sauce has a lot of salt. Even though I am using low sodium soy sauce, but I want to have control of the salt that I'm adding into this amazing chicken breast bite size. So here on the pan, I'm going to add some vegetable oil. When it's nice and hot, I am going to add the chicken. I am going to cook it for about 10 minutes. I don't want it golden brown. I just want it nice and cooked, nice and moist, tender. So I'm going to cook it in medium heat for about 10 minutes. While this is cooking, I'm going to prepare my garlic cloves. Remember, garlic is going to infuse this recipe. Do not omit it. Of course, I'm adding 4 garlic cloves, but if you only want to add 1, add 2. It's your choice. But here in my recipe, I'm adding 4, and these are large ones. I really love garlic, and I really love how it infuses into the chicken breast. The sauce that we are going to create, oh my God, this is just going to be amazing. So here I have diced already my 4 garlic cloves. I'm going to put it aside. I'm cooking the chicken in medium heat. Remember, you don't want it crispy. You don't want it golden brown. You only want to cook through the chicken. Once this is done, it's going to take like 10 minutes. Medium heat. Once everything is nice and moist, it's even releasing the juices. I am going to remove it, put it in a plate, and I'm ready to prepare this amazing sauce. I know it seems like it takes a long time, but let me tell you, this recipe comes out perfect every time. Just be careful when you add the salt. Here, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of butter. Of course, this is unsalted butter. To this, I'm going to add the diced garlic. I want to infuse the butter with the garlic. Once everything is incorporated and you could smell the aroma of the garlic, I'm going to add the honey. I'm adding half a cup of honey. This is going to create the sauce so delicious. So the honey, 1/4 of a cup of the low sodium soy sauce. I'm going to incorporate everything. Once everything is incorporated, I'm going to add the chicken. Once you add your chicken, just cook it for just a couple of minutes. You are going to notice that the sauce starts sticking to the chicken. It's getting nice and thick. And that's when you know it's ready. Look at this. This really comes out so delicious. You could enjoy it in pasta, enjoy it in white rice, enjoy it how in a delicious salad. Yes, you decide, but make it and enjoy it. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And let me tell you, I am ready to plate it. I am ready to add it into my plate. Add a little bit of sesame seeds right on the top. And I'm ready to taste and enjoy because I cook with love and everything comes out perfect. I'll see you in just a little bit. Look how gorgeous this looks. Can't wait to dig in. My friends, I am completely done with this bite-sized chicken honey garlic chicken. Let me tell you, this really comes out delicious every time. You could use chicken breast, chicken thighs, you decide, but make it. Enjoy it with your beautiful family. And this is, of course, the part I love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Mmm, mmm, so moist. The flavors, oh my God, just amazing. Like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.